Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for my first video, I wanted to show you guys how to achieve this everyday makeup look using only drugstore. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to just go ahead and fucking do my eyebrows or whatever. You know the fucking routine. Yeah, I'm just gonna be filling them in, not really gonna go in depth with them because I want to make a separate video for that. Just gonna make sure they look nice and fleeky. Next, I'll be using the Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and then I'm gonna use this to clean up my eyebrows and to prime my eyelids. For eyeshadow, I'll be using this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this bronzy shade right here and just put that all over the lid, making sure it's well blended. And then I'm going to use the Jacklin Hill palette and go ahead and use that shimmery color for my brow bone. I'm going to just use this baby skin primer from Maybelline and use that all over my face. Make sure it's set for foundation. And then I'm going to be using the matte and poreless from Fit Me as well in the shade 230. And I'm going to be dotting that shit all over my face because, girl, I have so much fucking pimples. It's fucking insane. Then I'll be grabbing my damn beauty sponge and just blend that shit out. Make sure everything looks nice and blended. Using the same concealer as before, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my dark circles. And also put some on the side of my nose to make my nose look thinner. Then add some on my chin and also on my forehead. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend all that out as well. Like I said, make sure everything looks nice and blended. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set that shit with the airspun powder. I'm just gonna put some under where I put concealer pretty much. And just leave it there for a couple of minutes, aka baking. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the same palette as before and put some of the shadow on my waterline. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal and go ahead and do my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the same color as before and just pop it on my inner corner. And then I'm going to remove all that powder that I put on my face and set my whole entire face with the Fit Me powder in the shade Light. Then I'm going to contour my face with this LA Colors palette. Just contouring on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and also on my jawline. And of course, you can't forget to contour your nose. And please do not forget to do this part. Make sure you cut your cheekbone, girl. It makes a big ass difference when you do this. Anyways, next I'm going to be using this blush from e.l.f. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on my cheeks. Then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighter. And just going to pop that shit. Making sure it looks glowy and nice or whatever. And now I'm going to remove the powder. Making sure there's no more powder or whatever. And then I'm going to add some chapstick to moisturize my lips for lipstick. And for that, I'm going to be using the NYX lipstick in the shade London. And I'm going to go ahead and add that all over my lips. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it or whatever. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.